Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video about this beautiful indicator on Tradingview called All Indicators in One. It's a beautiful indicator, very easy to work with, uh, and very easily one can be profitable using this indicator. All right. So before I begin, I would just like to mention that this is an educational channel. All views expressed over here are only for education purposes. So please do not make or take any financial decisions based on the views expressed over here. Kindly consult your financial advisor before you make or take any financial decisions. Also read the disclaimer below. With that said, let's proceed. As you can see on my screen, I've got the Nifty Bank 1 minute chart open, and I tend to use this indicator on the 1 minute time frame for scalping. You can use it for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever suits you best. All right. So let's build this indicator from scratch, shall we? So what I'll do, the first thing is I'll remove all the indicators on my screen. Here we go, and we will shift to the 5 minute time frame. Right now I'm on the bank Nifty and I'm on the 5 minute time frame, and there are no current indicators apart from this session break, which shows us one day end and the next day beginning. All right, the first indicator that we will use is called All Indicators. There, it's come up on my screen. This is the one. All Indicators in One. It's by TZAC88. All right. It's got about 355 count. Save it to your favorites. Click on the star. It'll go to your favorites. We click on this. And there it comes up on our screen. All right. In its default setting itself, it's very usable. It's showing you support and resistance. It's showing you a table on the right side, which is showing you RSI, SMAs, stochastic, everything. You can use it in its default setting. I tend to make some changes because I do quick scalping with this. So I don't use it on the 5 minutes. I tend to use it on the 1 or 2 minute time frame. All right. But if you're using it on the 5 minute time frame, I would suggest keep it on a default setting and use it because you get space on the screen. The lower you go on time frame, the real estate on the screen gets squeezed. You're better off trading lower time frames on a wide screen monitor because you need that space. All right, but above 5 minutes, it's not a concern. Anyways, so this is how the indicator looks in its default setting. Very usable. Again, I would like to stress that no changes is required. From here onwards, whatever changes I make is for my personal liking because I use this indicator in a certain way. All right. So what are the changes that I will make? I will go to the settings and I'll first go to the style. I will uncheck the bar color. I don't want the colors barred. I will uncheck the shapes and I'll uncheck this shape also. I don't want the indicator showing me buy and sell signals, and I don't want this table on the side as well. I would rather see the screen. I don't need that table on the side. And I will also uncheck this labels and values at the bottom. And because I use the 1 minute time frame, I'll go to inputs and I will switch this filter time frames to from 2 hours. I will switch it to 1 minute. All right. And I will click on OK. That's it. These will be the changes I will make. And with those changes, when I switch to 1 minute time frame, you'll see what happens. You can see over here right now, it has told us that here is the break point and here is the shorting point, right? If not there, then over here. But once I switch, I mean, it should have been somewhere over here, right? Because this is where the breakdown starts. But when I switch it to 1 minute now, you see it catches the break point exactly on time. And then you can ride it all the way down. So that's why I use it for a 1 minute time frame because it catches the trend early on, and then you can ride that trend for a long time. You're better off having a widescreen monitor. If you don't have a widescreen monitor, if you have a normal 24-inch monitor, then try and squeeze in however you feel like or however you want. Maybe you can get rid of this sides also, and it'll look something like this. So maybe you don't need those you know, all the things on the right hand side showing you the current status of the market. All you need is the graph, so this will do. Now by itself it does not need an additional indicator, but I always tend to use an RSI sort of an indicator at the bottom. In this case also I will use the High Kinashi RSI, which is my favorite. I've been using it for the last 3 years. Is by J Rogers, 45990 here. In terms of count, save it to your favorites. I click on this. The setting changes are very simple. I click on the settings. I will let the inputs be the way it is. I'll go to the style. I will uncheck the RSI histogram. Then I'll go down. I'll uncheck RSI shadow, RSI overlay, RSI K shadow, RSI D shadow, stock K, stock D, and then leave everything as it is. And I'll go right at the bottom and uncheck labels and values. That's it. With that done, our page is ready, and this is how it looks. All right. It's absolutely ready to trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Midcap, and Nifty Finance. You can use it for cryptos as well. I tend to paper trade crypto. I have not yet started really trading crypto because I have my own reasons not to trade crypto, and it's got nothing to do with crypto, whether crypto is good or bad. I like trading crypto, but I've not taken it seriously as yet due to the taxation reasons in my country where I live. It's pretty high on crypto, so it makes no sense going into crypto for me. But I have been profitable on crypto with paper trading, whatever I've done. So this indicator will also help you trade crypto. It's very simple. Again, crypto, I generally trade on the 1 minute time frame for scalping. I have got 2 pages open generally when I'm scalping crypto. I always have a 30-minute chart which shows me the market direction. All right. And then I tend to scalp on the 1 minute. You can use the same indicator and have everything the same way, and you can have one desktop showing you 30 minutes and the other desktop showing you 1 minute, so that you know the general direction of the market, and then you take your scalp in between. So does this work for crypto? Sure, it'll work for crypto. All right, it'll work for crypto. It'll also work for commodities, for US oil, for natural gas, gold, and silver. But my suggestion would be, if anybody is trading any of these commodities, then it's always better to be on a 30-minute time frame. And for commodities, I would recommend my other video, which is called, just a second, let me look it up. My commodity, for commodity, I have got this video which is working on the 30-minute time frame, which is working on the SMA 15. SMA 15 and SMA 200. I would suggest that video for commodities. All right, on the 30-minute time frame. I think it's called only 2 indicators that works across all segment. Yeah, that video. 2 indicators that works across all segment. Use that video along with my advanced Fibonacci. Advanced Fibonacci is one of the most important videos on my channel. Unfortunately, it does not have many views. But if I had to share one bit of knowledge with you, it'll be my advanced Fibonacci levels. It is absolutely crucial. The more you trade with what I'm saying in that video, the more you realize how important that video is. All right. So anyways, coming back to this particular thing, it'll work great on crypto for scalping on the 1 minute time frame or on the 2 minute time frame, depends whatever you're comfortable with. And it works great on the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Midcap Nifty. All right. The only problem is with any indicator on any time frame is when the market is sideways. When market is consolidating sideways, it's better to stay away from the market, because at that point of time it leads stop loss on both sides. and that particular thing is valid for all my videos. Whenever the market is going sideways, it's going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and it spends the whole day doing that, stay away from the market, because no indicator will work at that point of time. It'll just keep eating your stop losses on top and bottom both. Every time you think it'll go higher, it'll just go up and then come down. Every time you think it'll go lower, it'll go up, go down, and then again come up. All right. But apart from that, if the day is trending, then something like this that I've just shown you on screen, the all indicators in one, along with the Heikinashi RSI, will work superb. All right. So let me know in this video, in the comment section, how you find this indicator. Again, the beauty about this indicator is it's showing you support and resistance. It's showing you where to buy and sell. It's showing you where the market is turning, and the RSI at the bottom is helping reconfirming what you see on top. All right. So let me know in the comment section how helpful this setup has been for you. Paper trade with it for a couple of days. Let us know the outcome. Like and subscribe to the channel if you're already not subscribed. More than 85% of people who view our videos are not subscribed to the channel. You can subscribe to us on Telegram as well. We intend being more active on Telegram also in the future, and we intend coming live also during market hours. But we need some preparation for that, so that's on the way. All right, so like and subscribe to the channel. There's definitely a lot more action coming your way. I'll see you in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.